Sweet. Sweet. Squid.
Hello, this is Panos. Subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my partner.
My name is Ian.
This is another partner.
Russell.
Today we have a challenge. Firstly, we eat the seafood. Secondly, we change the double spicy samyang.
Start now.
Yeah.
Talaba.
Talaba. Oh, so big. So big. Talaba.
Talaba is the
Peep. What's that? Oh my god, so hard.
Yan.
Oh.
Oh my god.
You see?
Yan.
I try this first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yan.
Try this.
Nakakaloka ba din?
Good. You try not.
Isang sandok pa lang ako dito.
You try now. So good.
Sarap.
Yeah.
Masarap na yung talaba. Pero kami ayun naman masarap. Yung talaba. Ice cream yummy.
Yummy. Sarap.
Ice cream yummy.
Yeah.
Yan. Like.
Few moments later.
Pukpang po kami, syempre, meron tayong samyang! Baka naman samyang! Promote namin ito, oh! Show naman namin ito, oh! Baka naman bigyan mo kami ng samyang! Syempre, meron tayong hipon dito, puset, siyempre like this, oh! Tingnan nyo, ang liit, para mas malaki pa yung, mas malaki pa yung akin. Alam niyo naman yung nota, di ba, mga baklago? Russell na.
Pipip.
Pipip.
PB squid? Yes.
Yeah.
We try this now, PB squid.
Talagang hipon, alam ito pusit, baby pusit. Kataan niya kami yan. Yan. Kapaloka kasi ito yun.
Try na.
Ito yung, meron nito sa sa Thailand. Fresh na kinakain ng bonggang-bongga. Bakla ikaw wala reaction dyan, kain-kain ka na lang. Kaya ganda niya bakla, tapos puro ko salita dito.
Food. Ay pupo? No pupo.
No pupo!
How's that? Taste?
Yeah.
Snake. You want snake? Snake? Snake fish.
Ano, sa akin na nakatuto?
Snake fish is so long. Snake fish. We try this now.
But try this, it's a very, yummy. Ice cream
We
yummy.
try this.
Yan, buti.
Good?
Yes, good.
Taste good?
Yeah. Ano ba ito? Yummy. Ito talaga sa ayos talaga yun. Pag doon, na mapinig-tinig. Dahil ka mag na doon tinig. Ayan. Huwag niyo po kalimutan i-follow ako sa TikTok page ko, Captain Sian.
The phone is so small.
TikTok mo yung promote mo.
So? Good?
So, sabi yan. Sige, bakla. Hindi siya Tapos ito bonggang-bongga. Para sa akin, 10% siya. Bibigyan ko siya ng 10 kasi sobrang sarap ng baby pusit. Masarap na lang naman talagang pusit, diba? Itong minuli namin ito kalipat ng Batangas. Galing pa kami Batangas para manghuli at binili namin ito fresh na
This one, you will try this now. Either put the sauce.
Ayan, bonggang-bongga na naman tayo mga bago dito.
Spice? No.
No.
No spicy?
Ano daw yun?
Maybe you want spicy?
Kasi lang, namin kasama tayo ditong ibang planeta. Ayan, si Panot pala,
Now, you try this. Okay. See.
Nang, sama ka na sa balat. Bakit kung magkita ka naman, kung ano ko sa sakot pa dyan?
Bakit di mo maya ka na? Hindi ako makatang ako.
Ano ka, ano ganyan lang. Ano ka na ka pa, bongga-bongga.
Ano?
Ano? Ano?
Ano yun?
Ito talaga paborito ang sarap. Ayan, mukha matatalo ko dito nga.
Shout out
This one is very good.
Ito yung tahong na nadidiri talaga ako sa Diyos ko. Ayun yung tahong na ito. Yeah. Sarap?
Yeah.
Sabi mo sarap?
Yeah.
Ice cream yummy.
Yummy, sarap.
Ice cream yummy.
Yeah.
Yan. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Go. Ice cream yummy.
Yummy.
Ice cream good. Why?
Give the
Rate taste the food now. First, baby puset, squid. In Tagalog, pusit. No. Give pagkatagin na. How's taste the pusit?
Pussy?
Oo.
What?
Taste.
Taste.
How? Ano tama ba yun? Rate.
Correct.
Rate.
It's very good. I think maybe 9.
9.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Yeah.
That's yummy.
There's some yum, double spicy. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello and telephone. Hello. I cannot be reached. Please, calling later. So, buka dito nag-vlog kami. Go. Ito ang challenge namin. Ito ay may premyo ito, syempre. Mga bakda, kailangan naman ng pera. Huwag kang ganyan. Go. Ang sa amin ito, kailangan namin ito maubos at hindi kami pwedeng uminom ng Yakult kasi pag uminom kami ng Yakult or another
No.
Sige na, nagsalita. Ganun lang. Sige lang.
So,
Few moments later.
Muna lang kami sa Samyang Punan nyo Go. Yan. Bago kami simula, syempre, gusto ko sana i-promote ang kanyang YouTube channel muna. Ayan, ang Panot. At saka meron din siyang Facebook page, ang Panot. Ayan. Baka enjoy ka na. Ayan. Itong na to, kailangan maubos ito na walang iinom ng tubig or another gatas or like Yakult. Kasi kung iinom tayo ng water, out na siya. Kaya ako, Diyos ko, hindi ko ito kaya, kaya ilalabang ko ito.
Now then we start the challenge. It means who is first drinks the milk, who is the loser.
Yes.
Yeah?
Go.
Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Ready now!
Okay, go!
Go, start now! Ay, kung oras ba ito, di ko nga, Diyos ko, reaction. Tutok ko sa camera din, sa kanya.
So spicy, So spicy.
Oh my God, kailangan.
Hindi ko
Oh my
matatalo
God.
na ako dito.
Diyos ko, di ko ito kaya. Diyos ko, bakit labas yung ano ko dito? Ano muna, alas.
Maybe before you never eat the so spicy. This one is a double spicy. So spicy.
Tabo, what's tabo?
Tabo.
Tabo, CR? Ay,
Spicy.
ito ay double sa spicy. Top 5 plus 10. O, di ba, alam nyo na, 15. Ayan. Samyang pa to. Diyos ko, baka nababas yung sipon ko dito at luga ako dito.
Good. Good. Try now. You try.
Madaya ka eh.
I try now. So spicy.
But you tutok camera in like this. And crazy took the another. Dapat you did me into video like me.
Yeah. I can't
Super.
see anything. What's your feeling now?
Yeah.
You try just now.
So hot.
So hot?
Yeah.
Itutok mo sa kanya.
If you feel hot, you eat more. Well, it's no hot.
No.
Yes? How about you? What's your feeling?
So very.
Okay,
Oh my God, parang
yes,
nasa-
kakayanin ko to.
How about you?
So very hot. So very spicy.
So, can you go on now? Go on.
Go.
Okay,
Continue.
go. Okay, continue.
Go. but not crying, but
If you crying, you eat more. It's stop. Okay, okay. Oh, okay, go.
Grabe.
You know, if you always eat the
wait
spicy
na,
one.
wait Mia and
Yeah, yeah.
Cassie na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why many people like eat the spicy food. So you eat the spicy food and you will become, your skin become good.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ano daw yung sabi?
Yes.
Parang
So-
wait na lang.
How are you now? It's okay. Many sweating. Many sweating.
Baka versa and bottom?
Maybe the first
I'm the
time you
bottom.
eat the...
You ask,
Yeah, sobrang pause ko na guys. So first time ko lang mag-challenge ng samyang. So tignan na dito, pag naliligo na ako sa pawis.
Are you top? Versa bottom? As
So hindi ko na kaya.
Maybe it's the first time you eat like this.
Yeah.
Before you never eat so spicy.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
How about you? The first time? Also first time?
yes.
So are you okay now?
No. I go to the, ano na, ambulansya na.
I'm going to hospital na. And confined to
Go ask the
50-50.
Cassie.
Uh,
Top, versa, or bottom? Ask na.
Firstly, maybe you at the first beginning, maybe you feel so spicy, so hot, but you eat more. Don't stop.
Okay.
Don't stop.
So,
good.
ano, pwede mag-stop dito. Okay. Ito pa
So very quick na.
ikaw din naman bakla.
Ang init eh. Baka naman may electric fan. Bakla, di ko na kaya.
Alam mo parang
But now I'm okay now. No, just a little sweating. Because I always eat spicy food.
Ano daw? So, alas. Ay, naku, baka naman.
Siya, tignan mo, hindi pa siya pinagpapoy.
Sabay-sabay sa maanghang eh. Ha? Ang anghang So, ang ano ko yung, hala, bakla pa yung sa pabis na ako. Tinan mo muna na yata yung mukha ko. Ngayon face is red.
Ako din.
Red face?
Yeah.
Para ako naligo sa ulan, guys. Tignan mo. Sobrang daming kong pawis hanggang dito.
It's okay.
Bakla, pangat ang lasa.
So you can you finish? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Talaga? How about you, my partner?
Ang please nga.
You can finish?
Hospital.
Are you sure? Sige.
Few moments later.
Sa wakas, go, nanalo kami at di kami.
Uminom ng Yakult. So, challenge talaga na huwag kami uminom ng Yakult. Kasi kakayanin namin kumain. Kami magsalita kasi.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Our challenge, my partner, they are winner. So now it's so hot. You try the Yakult. Good. You can eat.
Success.
It's very good. You can eat so spicy food. Good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes, sasakin yung corona kasi
Oh my God! Panalo kami, guys!
Good. Thank you, my partner. Like this.
Hi, my name is Ian.
My name is Rasha.
So thank you for your watching. Now our video is finished. See you next time. See you, my partner.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye-bye. And then